Today's video is all about some interesting little things that I found around me. Let's get into the video to know more. The first one that I liked very much is the access to free books at public places. It can be at a bus stop or some public squares. You get free books like this to access. It is like a small library from which you can take and go home and have a read of it. After you finish reading, you can bring back and keep them here. They have huge collection of books you can choose from. In addition to that, I was so happy to see the Indian language Tamil written on this bookshelf in Switzerland. Hope you could see Puttagangal written in Tamil, which means books. In addition to the English and German books, they also have Tamil books that you could read from. Most of us use trolley or shopping carts for our shopping. But how many of us really put it back in line after the shopping is done? That's a question. But with this interesting initiative, I am sure all of us would definitely put it back in line. Let's see what it is. Here is a trolley line in a grocery store, and you could see you cannot just take it out. They are clearly linked to each other by chains. To unlock the chain, here you have to insert a 2 franc coin in the slot provided. By this, the chain is removed. By inserting the coin, your cart is unlocked, but your coin stays inside. So after your shopping is done, you would definitely come back to take the coin back. Once your shopping is completed, you could come back to the trolley line, and here you could see with the lock of the previous cart, you can just push it and remove your coin. Now your coin is removed and your cart is placed back in the line. You could pick the quantity of the vegetable you require, weigh it and bill it on your own. Here you could see the vegetables in loose. Here they are onions. You could pick it and just remember its code. The code for onion is 59 as written here. Taking the required quantity in a carry bag and just placing it on the weighing scale. Here you could see the weight and just enter the code 59 and give OK. The bill is generated for 250 grams. Here you could see the price tag is generated and its barcode is read while you bill it. Next is sending parcels without manual interaction. These are automated package stations to drop packages without any manual interaction. They have options as shown on the screen. Enter the details, the barcode is generated, place them on your package and drop them. As well, there is a provision to scan your card as well for payment. Next is a smart ATM machine which converts your coins to cash. Are you fed up of carrying extra coins in your wallet? If yes, here's a solution for this. These smart ATM machines outside your banks definitely helps. You could use a QR code scanner or the slot to place your ATM card so that the machine recognizes your bank account. Once done, it asks whether you are going to deposit coins. You could click the option to deposit coins. On selection, it says please place coins in the tray. The tray automatically opens and you could place all your coins inside it. Once you give yes, hope you could see the tray which opens automatically. Drop all the coins you have in the slot. Once done, just select OK. It immediately starts processing and counting the coins. It takes a little time for processing. Once done, it gives you a receipt after counting. You get your receipt here. The amount is being transferred to your bank account. You could see we have dropped around 35 francs in it. And yes, all the coins are transferred to your bank account. Also, it shows a clear classification of denomination of the coins that you dropped. Here you could drop euros or francs. All of us would have seen a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler driving school, but have you seen a tram driving school? These trams that you see here are for tram driving practice. Before a person is employed to drive the trams used by the public, these trams are used for driving or learning purpose. Hope you could see these trams are empty and it is not used by the public. It is just used only for training sessions. These are the trams used by the public. Once the training is completed, they can drive the trams used by the public. These are few interesting things that I found around me and thought of sharing it with you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you again in a new video. Until then, take care. Bye.